Hi everyone. This video is about iPhone. This is Apple iPhone headset, and this is original one actually. Otherwise, I'm not going to do hard work and make video about that. There's a few facts I want to tell you about why there's a lot of people they making video. The one thing is once I was decided, I was thinking like I just start doing this work without make video. Then I realized it my eyes actually is very difficult to see the very small joint. If normal eyes you can see exactly the same way. And in this way, sometimes you even can't realize what the color is. And now currently there's a lot of lights on my table, but still it's difficult to see, right? So then I realized actually why many people they make a video for headphone jack repair. It's not because of you, but actually it's because of once you make it zoom, I will show you here. I will stop the video and I will zoom it and then I will start again. So now I'm going to zoom it and now you can see. Here you can see each and everything. Okay, what happened with this headphone actually? It was working fine. There's no issue. And actually it's like a new clean condition. If you see the wires are very clean. Actually since 2 years, it was on my bag. I didn't touch it. The reason I didn't do it because it was very small work. But what happened actually, the top area, uh, in my family somebody sit and it was in the iPhone and the front side the lightning cable broke, just the front side. So I cut that area nicely and removed that all rubber and plastic from the side. And now these cables, what I'm going to do, I will make it these cables like a headphone jack. So what I have to do is just first remove it corner so it will be clean and use this tip so it will be more easier and better. So anyway, uh, first thing I want to remove these wires, but before that I'm going to put this side and I want to bring out these, because once I open it I can see here is only 3 wires, and if I will connection with this I'm sure it not gonna be very properly, and so better rather than I use this one I will use straight away, I will use the jack. So that is the one reason I want to make the video in the same time. Okay, you see it's very simple. If you have a small cutter, tiny like this, it will be more easier, and if you have big also it's no problem, but now you can see everything is easily coming out. This is come out easily, but I need actually this jack to put it back. So okay, so I want to keep this one for coating again. Back to cable. So anyway, here you can see it depends on the quality, what kind of quality jack you have. So this one is not very expensive one, but I just trying to save this plastic. Okay, here you can see I bring out the cable. Now that hole almost the clean and clear. I have it. Yeah. So later I can put it back with the hot glue. So this thing I keep it on the side. For me, I believe the work should be very clear and clean. There's a lot of people that make videos, but it's look like not that clean. Okay. Here you can see there is 4 areas, but if you see there's a cable have 3 because the cable have really 3 connections, 3 wires. So 1, 2, 3 they use, but we need the last one also. So okay, first thing what I'm going to do, I have to remove this, the OR connection wire. This is the real work actually. This is the stuff that I'm really difficult to do for me if I don't have camera. So I don't have very professional tools, but you it was not very hard to close, so what I put it the rubber on the back of the plier, so it will be stick very nicely and hard. So I have my own DIY strong connector here, strong, and you can do your work. Okay. Okay, let's zoom. Honestly, normally I can't see this level. In this level, I can't see that deeply. How I'm seeing now, that is a maximum. Okay, I'm going to change the resolution of the camera. Okay, can keep it very long hot. Difficult work, really. So you can see it's come a little bit. Okay. So now, so far, the both side is clear and done. Now I have to put it here. Some okay. I have to put a little bit paste. So this area is actually a little bit difficult, so I have to so in the videos actually they are just showing it's not that easy. Honestly, if you will work hard, sometimes you have not exactly the same things and it's not exactly the same work, it's gonna happen and you end up and spoil your jack. Or even you can see in front of you I'm trying my best. Okay, okay, now you can see the solder sticking here. That is what I was looking, but it was not happening first time, right? So you have to be careful about that. That's why I say it's this thing is work hard. It's not that easy. That's look like. Okay, just making connection little softer. Still look okay. Not keep it too hot. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to remove now here all the connections. Keep it that one for a side. So here you can see 3 jack connection. One by one I have to remove first. Okay. Okay. You can see the red one is already done. And after hold on. Okay. Second. Okay. Simple and easy. Cheesy. Peasy. So here we got all our connections. Red, ground, golden and green. Right here. So now the real stuff going to start here. Okay. Now here's the real thing. So I'm going to put, actually this is a circuit board. That's the circuit board, but yeah, I'm not going to use anymore because this is lightning cable. I don't know what they made it, but anyway, let's go on the side here. So the next thing is the very difficult one that I really worry about, the connections. Okay, the first cable will be the green. First find out the green is, this is the green, the last one. Okay, green is done there. Uh, Actually, after green, I need to put the first. Let me adjust the direction. Green, then red, then red. Okay, let's start again. One, two, Okay. Now the third one, you can see. The third one will be a little difficult, but I hope so I can do it. Yeah. So far done. 3, 1, 2, 3. And the last one, slightly other side. I hope I can manage to do, but yeah, almost done. Here you can see. So far, perfectly, but actually this one I can make it more nicely. Slightly this one. I'm not very satisfied. The red one. Yeah. The adjustment is very important. Okay. So far is much better than before. So yeah, all cables are placed, something like that, as you can see, and there's no short. You can make sure. So far looks good. Okay guys, so here I got the new connection. Actually my connection was not very correct, so now I got the new connection here, and this is the real connection now. So this is the mic. Here you can see this is the mic. Okay, so the real connection is, before I was thinking, but I see the voice was not clear and not proper. So what I get it, the right connection, the green is first, the second is a red, the third is ground, and the fourth is golden. I hope you can see clear. So that is the real connection, as you can see. This one is the red, the second one. So yeah. So the green is first, the red is second, and the ground is third, and the golden for the mic one is the last one for the top. So this is the main connection, and this is the main diagram for the headphone. Now I'm going to put hot glue, And yeah, I'm going to close it. So far everything looks solid, perfectly and nice. Here you can see slightly up, but I don't want to touch more. So far this is perfect, this is perfect, and hope so. Yeah, that was the real stuff, that was the thing. So now the both sound, here I can show you again. Okay, yeah, now both is working. Before I didn't realize one was not working, so this is the real connection. Let me check. Both are working. And let me check the button. Here is the button. Um, Here you can see it's working. Volume down. I think volume down up not work here. That is for iPhone only because this is Android. But yeah, so far. Oh, so far I feel the volume button will be work on iPhone. Let's see. So yeah, thumbs up. So what I'm going to do is putting the hot glue. So this is the ultimately final connection. Yeah. First the green, second is a red, third is a ground, and the fourth is mic. Twist it all. Okay. So now I'm going to move this area. I don't want to drag it. I just want to be together just like this. Put some more. Okay. As you can see, almost done. Let's come out from here. Okay. It's not finished yet, but actually make it stronger. So no matter what, this area will be not going anywhere. Okay, so far. So yeah. So that's all. Everything is done. And now you can see our headphone jack is ready. Just let it dry. That's all. At least your original earphone is saved.